Hi, good morning.
Morning, Neha. How are you?
Good to आप कैसे हो?
But yeah, nice to see you that you joined. I was expecting that you should join.
Thank you.
To share just 3 minutes. Ago. I want everyone's camera on. If you really want to have a healing manifestation, everything, because during session I'll also going to give you healing energy. So those whose cameras are on, they will get 10x benefits. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you, Bhavisha. Dr. Bhavisha. Hi. Ishita, Arti, Shivani. Thank you. Hi, Arti. After a long time.
Morning. How are you?
Morning. I'm fine. Ishita, Shivani. 1 minute to go. I'll just drop a message in a group. You can all just close your eyes. Hi. Or you can share with me from where you are and what you are doing. We have left only 1 minute or less than 1 minute. Quickly write in the chat box and then mute yourself. Write in the chat box. Where are you from? And what you are doing. I'll just check the chat box. Rishita from Mumbai, Tarori Day. Hi, yeah. Hi, Rishita. We have talked on phone, right? Noida, Andheri. Okay. Sangeet. Hi, Sangeet. I know after a long time. So happy to see you all, old people. We have met in, yeah, like not 21 days challenge, morning, evening routine. Myself, Srilata from Cochin, it was at homemaker. Wow. Welcome, Srilata. Okay, let's start. It's now 8 a.m. and we will start this sacred journey with a beautiful, beautiful divine prayer. Meantime, just those who are off camera, please, please, I request you on the camera so that this healing energy of this divine prayer will reach to you. And I want that it reach to all of you. Yesterday night, I just slept with the thought that whoever is joining this session, may God give everything, whatever they want, which is aligned with your wish. That is God's wish. That was my prayer to God. So I'm really, really very much hopeful and happy and excited to help you to reach towards your goal. Thank you. So let's close your eyes. All of you, close your eyes. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Sink in the music. Deep breath in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Neha, close your eyes. No cheating. Continuing, taking deep breath in and breathe out. You can put right hand on your heart or left hand on your heart, whatever you feel to put any of side of your head. Just check. Yeah, recording is there. So, okay, I am reciting a divine prayer. You all can say in your mind or you can just listen it. Okay. Dear Divine Universe, I open my heart to receive. I release what no longer serves me. And I welcome healing, clarity, and alignment. As I take a deep breath in, I allow myself to ground into this moment. I am safe. I am supported. May my mind be still, my heart be open, and my soul be ready to rise. Guide me through this journey. Help me to remember who am I. Align me with the life I am meant to manifest. Whisper to me softly and let my heart feel your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So be it, so be it, so be it. You can open your eyes. And now, quickly, you all have to write down what is the emotional state in last 10 days of window from 1 to 10. How will you rate yourself? Like I'm angry or I'm frustrated or I'm calm or I'm happy or I'm sad. What is the rate of that emotion? Negative emotions की बात कर रही हूँ. So what is that level of negative emotion you want to keep put in that 1 to 10 scale? So 1 will be the so much sad, depressed, and 10 will be moderate or mild. Or you can say happy. So you have to just write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe sad, depressed, unhappy, frustrated, angry. 7, 8, 9. Oh no, it's good. Like so na, kabhi khushi, kabhi gam wala same. So you can write 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the highest peak. Like I am super happy. So write in the chat box. Welcome, Mangji, after a long time. Write in the chat box and also write in your book, dedicated journal, which we are going to start with today. Or you have written your, one their HRCM goal, which I have told you. 7, okay. Aarti wrote 7, Ishita 1, Mangji 3. Fine, write it down. I want everyone's reading over here. And it has some importance. Why I have asked you, I will let you know at the end of this session. Negative emotions 7 by 10, happiness 6 by 10. Okay. Yes, write it down. Shivani ji, but how you rate your anger? What is the level of that anger? Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 6, 5. Okay, fine. Thank you. I hope everyone has written. Santosh ji at 8 hai. Okay, fine. Good. Worried frustrated times. Fine. Okay. So I just want to tell you, all of you, that why I started this journey of 10 days, because I found out something very much incredible, helpful to myself. So I thought, why should I not share with my people, people who trust in me, people who know me, and people who know that yes, whatever I teach, it will help to them. So I found out that meditation is the key to manifest things. It's something new, right? Because अब हम लोग ने बहुत सारा पढ़ा है, मैनिफेस्ट ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, पहले ही जान लो कि मेरे पास है, और फिर उसको ऐसे फील करो, हाँ है, fake it till you make it, something kind of, right? But मेडिटेशन से ही आप मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हो, ये आप 10 दिनों में एक्सपीरियंस करोगे. So let's start. First thing, what is meditation? And before knowing that what is meditation, I want to ask you all one question. Do you know who you are? Do you know who you are? Yeah? Anyone write in the chat box. I am not going to unmute anyone. Please write in a chat box. Do you know who you are? Quickly. At least I expect 3 to 4 answers. No? Okay. Soul to complete our agenda. Really nice. Yes, Dr. Bhavisha. आपको तो मालूम होगा. Like Ishita also knows. Strong woman. Okay. Before I thought I am Sri Lata, but now I found I don't know myself. Perfect. Then you are at the right session. Okay, let me tell you. So, whenever we say I am Dr. Purvi Patel, I am a mom of a kid, I am a housewife, I am doctor, I am homeopathic consultant, I am these, I am that. All these are tags which are necessary to live on this earth planet, right? If I don't have those tags, I will be like a zombie, right? But to live on this earth planet, there are certain rules and regulations which I need to follow. But before my name, before this physical body, who am I? See, our mother gave us a birth, a physical body. But there is something in that physical body who says, I am not feeling well. I am feeling headache, I am feeling sleepy, I am feeling tired, I am feeling this, I am feeling frustrated, I am feeling angry, I am feeling grateful. Who is that? That is your soul, your Atman or Chaitanya or Jeev, whatever name you give, right? So that is who really you are, your soul. Now, from where did that soul came? We have listened so many big names telling about the soul and its soul purpose, and so many things we have listened. But in the simplest manner, if I can say you, a soul is nothing but a fragment, a part which is detached from that higher self. And that's why big names like Guru and all, what they say, सब में ईश्वर को देखो, है ना? Right? Agree? At least you can show me thumbs up on this screen. Okay, fine. Thank you. So, who we are then? We are that fragment detached from that higher self. And now, here on this earth plane, we are here to fulfill our karmas. That's it. So, when we forget who we are, we find ourselves angry, frustrated, overexcited, overjoyed, overhappy. And we forget that literally this is the vessel in which my soul is there. Because unless and otherwise, if I don't have this body, I can't accomplish my karmas. Right? And we also know with Bhagavad Gita that soul never dies. Soul changes the clothes as soon as its karma gets fulfilled over here. A new lesson he has to learn or she has to learn, and she go back and then they come again. So meditation is nothing but it's simply reaching to here. Like we all know this is the thing where our soul resides, right? So meditation is helping us to connect with our inner self, which lies over here, in order to get connected with the higher self. है ना? एक छोटा सा example देती हूँ. We all have electricity in our home, right? From where this electricity come? There are big towers, right? From big towers there are wires, and from wires there are some meter box in our in bungalow or society, and from there meter box there are wires. So everything is interconnected. Suppose that electricity, जो मेरे घर पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, मैं ना स्विच, जो मेरे घर में फ्यूज है, फ्यूज बोलते हैं राइट मीटर बॉक्स में, एक दिन फ्यूज उड़ गया, and what I'll do, what I'll give, I will blame to government, to you know that company, कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसे लाइट चली जाती है बार-बार, and we don't see, look into our fuse box that whether it is safe, it is there, it's working or not. Same thing we are doing with the God. We pray to God in the morning, हे भगवान ये दे दो, वो दे दो, फलाना दे दो, ठिकाना दे दो. But God doesn't give, then what will do? Why this happened to me? मैं ही क्यों मिलती हूँ, ये पूरे जहान में मैं ही तुम्हें दिखती हूँ, कब मेरा भला करोगे? हे भगवान 1 रुपया 1 नारियल चढ़ा दूंगी, हे भगवान 5 नारियल चढ़ा दूंगी, 10 दिया कर दूंगी. सबने सब कुछ किया होगा. Am I wrong or right? Agree? But why our prayer doesn't reach to the God? Because we have lost connection with our inner self. Here, you have lost connection here. यहाँ पे connection नहीं है, तो वहां तक कैसे बात पहुंचेगी आपकी? Is it possible? No. So today we will start our first day. First, today we will connect with our own self. And this meditation which I am going to give you today, you all have to do daily. I will share audio of this meditation in a group itself, so you can practice it. You don't have to go through recording for this meditation. Okay? Agree? All are ready to go and connect with your higher self. Fine. So take a comfortable seat and remove your specs. You all have to, you can sit on a chair, और अगर कोई बेड पे बैठा है तो प्लीज उठ जाओ. अच्छा, मैंने समझाया है मेरे मेडिटेशन की वीडियो में, क्रिएटिंग अ मेडिटेशन स्पेस. प्लीज नेहा, रिमूव योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द बेड, बिकॉज every place carry its energy. Bed is relaxing, romantic energy or choral energy, whatever you are doing on the bed, or talking energy. Then your office chair or your study chair, it carries lot of stress related to study. Then if you're sitting on a sofa, then it carries energy of manoranjan, entertainment, gossip. And that's why I told you, create a beautiful space. You can lighten up candle, a scented candle, everything. These are tattvas: fire, water, earth, all these elements from what our body has made. If we bring those elements while we meditate, it will enhance our experience, our meditation energy. Fine. So if you have not, yeah, like, make the space quickly. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just quickly. कुछ भी नहीं है तो एक सिंपल सा योगा मैट डालो या आसन डालो और नीचे बैठ जाओ. But don't sit or don't sleep on a bed or sofa or nova. No. And remove your specs also, Sukhvinder, because it will give you burden here. It will not help you to relax your face, your eyes, and whole facial muscles. Quickly. 8:18 हुआ है. I will start at 8:20. You can also bring a glass of water, because when you meditate, the word which I tell, that will go in that water. And after meditation, when you will drink that water, certainly you will find change in the taste. So if you want to have this experience today, you can, or you can bring tomorrow also. Don't worry. Don't worry. 8:19. I'm very much quick in a time, in a fixed time, because it will help us to be on time everywhere, and it will help us to quick to go. All the lethargy, all the procrastination happens only when we don't value our time. And I want all of yours camera on. Otherwise, मैं जो रेकी एनर्जी भेजने वाली हूँ during the meditation, you will miss that energy. So this is not something like YouTube meditation which you are having free of cost. This is something I'm giving my own Reiki healing along with this meditation. Okay, 8:20. Neha, where are you? I want your camera on. Shivani ji. Yes. Okay. Close your eyes. Take a comfortable place. Shri Lata ko kya ho gaya? Why she get up? Okay. Fine. Let's start now. Don't waste time. Close your eyes. Sit comfortably. Okay, Shivani. Sit comfortably. Back straight. Hands on your thighs or knees or in your lap. Palm facing upward like this. You can also keep this mudra if you want, or you can keep simply straight. Okay. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let go of any tension in your body. Quickly scan your body. Relax your toes, ankle, calves, knees, thighs, hips, back, stomach, abdomen, chest, fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Relax, relax, relax. Breathing exhale out slowly, feeling more and more relaxed. Begin to focus on your breath at your nostril. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. Breathe normally and focus on your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. I'll count from 10 to 1. With each count, you will feel more and more relaxed. 10, 9, you are going deeper and deeper in your subconscious mind. 8, you can visualize yourself on a staircase and visualize that you are going down and down, deep and deep in your subconscious mind. 7, 6, going deep and deep in your subconscious mind. 5, keeping yourself relaxed. 4, feeling tingling in your palms. 3, now you are on the deepest layer of your subconscious mind. 2, 1, you are now relaxed and on the deepest layer of your subconscious mind. Now, bring your attention to the center of your eyebrows. Give your attention to the center of your eyebrows. It's also known as third eye. Focus on this area and feel your true self, your energy, your soul. Just try to feel your energy between your eyebrows and visualize your soul as a radiant light, pure and peaceful. This is the essence of who you are. Visualize the radiant white light energy between your eyebrows. And when you visualized it, now see your soul, that white light energy, gently leaving your body. Watch it rise up, moving higher and higher towards the sky. Feel the lightness and freedom as it ascends. Your soul, that white light energy, continues to rise, reaching towards a brilliant divine light above, the higher self, or a God, or the universe, the creator, the source of all peace and love. Your soul has reached towards this brilliant divine light above. And as you approach this divine light, feel its warmth and loving energy. You are now in your home, your true home. Feel that feeling, how you are feeling. See yourself merging with this divine light, a creator, the source of our existence. See yourself merging, becoming one with it. You are now one with the Creator. And absorb the energy of peace and love from this divine source. Stay in that moment for a few seconds and feel that divine love and peace within. Now, it's time to bring this peace back to you. It's time to bring that love, the divine love, back with you. See your soul slowly descending from the divine light. See that white flickering light detaching from the higher soul or a creature, and it's now descending downwards. Watch as your soul gently returns to your body, coming back towards the earth now. It is gently returning back to your own body and settling once again in the center of your eyebrow. Feel this peaceful energy spreading throughout your entire body. Feel that love, feel that peace which you carry from the Creator. Be with that moment for a few seconds. Feel the peace and love in every part of your body. Let it flow through all your organs, cells, systems. This peace surrounds you, enveloping you completely. Know that you are now connected with the divine light, and this connection brings you deep, abiding peace and love. Peace is your true nature now. Love is your true nature now. Take a moment to savor this feeling of peace and love. The divine peace, divine love. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Listen the surrounding voice. Feel the presence of your body, surrounding things. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently rub your palm. Generate the heat and put them on your closed eyes, on your shoulder, chest, and entire body. Spread this entire energy to all your body and carry this sense of peace with you throughout the day. You are now connected to the divine light, and peace and love will always be with you. You can write in the chat box how you are feeling. Yes, how you are feeling. So peaceful, calm, peaceful, relaxed. Okay, calm. Okay, and who all are able to visualize the white light in the center of the eyebrow, which is going up, then meeting to the higher soul, then descending down. Anyone able to visualize? And if you not able to visualize, it's all okay, because you are going to practice this meditation daily. So no worries. It's okay, Srilata. It happens. When our mind is cluttered with so many things, from our past life to this life, past times, it is difficult to connect with our own self, our true self. A bit very blur, okay? No worries. So, okay, all are relaxed, all are easy, not to worry. Fine. Now, today my thoughts are going somewhere else too. Okay, it happens, because sometimes when you are not regular meditating, it happens. So I'll share this voice in a voice note, the whole entire meditation, and you can do this meditation daily, whatever time is good for you. Okay, and tomorrow you have to do this meditation before our session starts. With me? Yes? I had to come. Nice meditation, feel good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Fine. Now, it's time to ask you all, how is your emotional state after this meditation? From 1 to 10, which we have done in this starting of this session. So, can you just close your eyes and find out how you are feeling now? What is the state of emotion? 8. Okay. Manchi, what was their previous state of emotion? Oh, wow, Ishita, this is amazing. You have written 1, I remember. Oh, great. Mayankji had 3, now he is on 8. Nice. And what about water? You can drink the water. Water के साथ होना था वो हो गया. Drink the water and tell me did you find any a slightest change in the taste? अगर आप माइंडफुली पानी पिए हो अपने घर पे इससे पहले तो ही समझ आएगा. अगर उस टाइम पे माइंडफुल नहीं तो ये टेस्ट नहीं समझ आएगा. Fine, good. Now, yes, thank you. Great, great, great. So now I want to share with you 3 homeworks you all have to do. Fine? करेंगे ना? These are a kind of activity which you all have to do for 10 days. After that also, if you feel very good, then you can do for lifetime. I don't mind. Fine? Okay, done. So, first, take a water bottle and after the session fill it with water. अब उस वाटर बॉटल पे आपको एक पेपर लगाना है, ओके? और उस पेपर पे क्या लिखा होगा दैट आई विल लेट यू नो। पर ये जो वाटर बॉटल रहेगा पूरे दिन, अब जब भी पानी उसमें से पियेंगे, खाली होगा, अगेन यू हैव टू फिल अप। पानी खाली होगा, अगेन यू हैव टू फिल अप एंड ड्रिंक दैट वाटर। फाइन, तो पहले ये चीज हो गया, ओके? समझ में आया? सेकंड थिंग, यू ऑल हैव टू डू इमोशनल ट्रैकिंग डेली, every 2 hours after you wake up in the morning. Or suppose I wake up today at 5 a.m. As soon as I wake up, I ask myself, how am I feeling now? If I feel lazy or sleepy or peaceful, loving, happy, whatever emotion my mind say, I will write it down. Now at 7 a.m. 5 से 7 कुछ भी चलेगा विभूति जी, कुछ भी चलेगा। आई एम नॉट समथिंग ये काला नहीं चाहिए, पीला नहीं चाहिए, लकड़े का नहीं चाहिए, प्लास्टिक का नहीं, सब चलेगा। वॉट एवर इज इजी फॉर यू, डोंट वरी। पानी तो पानी है, इट कैरी एनर्जी, राइट? एंड द एनर्जी विच वी से, वी थिंक, वी बिलीव, वी फील, राइट? ओके फाइन। सो द एग्जाम्पल 5 to 7, राइट? अब 5 to 7 में जो भी मैं काम करूंगी उससे रिलेटेड मेरी एनर्जी होगी, मेरा इमोशंस होगा। तो राइट डाउन एट 7 a.m. हाउ यू आर फीलिंग, लुकिंग टुवर्ड दैट लास्ट 2 hours ऑफ टास्क। फिर आ जाएगा 9 बजे, 11 बजे, 1 बजे, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, जैसे जितना आप जगते हो रात को। बट आई वुड सजेस्ट प्लीज गो टू स्लीप मिनिमम बाय 11, ओके? तो समझ में आ गया? आपको इमोशंस लिखने हैं, आपको और कुछ नहीं करना है। यू ऑल हैव टू राइट द इमोशंस, व्हाट आई एम फीलिंग नाउ। तो आपको अंदर से जवाब मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? सो इट विल हेल्प यू नॉट ओनली टू फील, टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू रिकॉग्नाइज भी ये पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे मैं ना ये फील करती हूँ। You will become mindful. It will give you a practice of taking pause at every 2 hours. It will help you to be mindful at least every 2 hours. Because mindful होगी तो ही पता चलेगा ना कि emotions है क्या है। Okay, got my point? Thumbs up? Fine. Third thing, क्या करना है? You all have to recite 108 times Ho'oponopono. Morning, afternoon, evening, before sleep. I will share video link. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप जस्ट कान में डाल दो और आप अपना, जैसे प्रीति जी ने अपना मॉर्निंग रूटीन स्टार्ट कर दिया, यू कैन जस्ट डू स्टार्ट योर रूटीन एंड कीप द हेडफोन इनसाइड एंड जस्ट लिसन दिस। अगर वो टाइम पे आपका ध्यान भी नहीं रहा ना, फिर भी वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाएगा, ठीक है? एंड इन द आफ्टरनून इफ यू कैन सिट एंड लिसन दिस 108 times Ho'oponopono, you can do sit like in a meditative state and listen this. It's just hardly 10 to 12 minutes. I'll tell you Neha, just a moment. Fine? तो ये हो गया अपना थर्ड टास्क। अब पेपर पे लिखना क्या है? What you have to write? So I'll send a sentence in a group after the session. You have to fill in the blanks with the emotion. A positive emotion which you want to feel in this entire 10 days, right? So I want you all write down name of positive emotions in your notebook quickly. जितने भी अभी दिमाग में आ रहे हैं ना पॉजिटिव इमोशंस, आप लिखो उसके नाम and tell me in the chat box done. On number of the positive emotion, like 5 लिखे कि 6 लिखे कि 10 लिखे, कितने लिखे, नंबर ही लिखने हैं and just show me thumbs up. So quickly write in the notebook positive emotions I would love to feel every day and write it down below that. कौन से पॉजिटिव इमोशंस जो मुझे फील करने अच्छे लगते हैं, फील होते नहीं होते वो नहीं है, I want to feel। वो होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं, दैट इज नेक्स्ट अदर थिंग, लेकिन मुझे फील करने हैं हैप्पी, courageous, confident, then so many things like joyful, peaceful, romantic, loved, love. Fine, okay, then just write it down. Don't Google. आपको अपने पॉजिटिव इमोशंस ले, गूगल तो सबकी मम्मी है. 8 गुड. सो ये इमोशंस कौन से रहेंगे जो मैंने आपको बोला, आपका एक इंटेंशन सेट करना है, एक गोल को मैनिफेस्ट करना है, तो इट विल इन कनेक्शन टू दैट गोल, इन कनेक्शन टू दैट गोल. फाइन. 12 वेरी गुड. 6 गुड. अगर सेशन के बाद भी याद आते हैं तो इट्स ओके, यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि सेशन में ही लिखो. Priti ji, after the session, you have to write down positive emotions you want to feel this 10 days. Okay? You just get it free होके आप लिख देना. अब मैं जो ग्रुप में भेजूंगी सेंटेंस वो बोल रही हूँ. I promise I'll going to feel say happy. So I promise myself from now on I will feel happy. So happy भी होगा fill in the blank. तो वहां पे आपको अपने इमोशंस, अभी जितने जैसे मयंक जी ने 10 लिखे हैं, श्रीलता 6, आरती 12, विभूति 4, नेहा 8, शिवानी जी 5, तो आपके ये सबके सेंटेंस हो गए. यही सेंटेंस को लिख के आपको अपनी पोर्टल पे स्टिक करना है. समथिंग न्यू ना, सब लोग बोलते हैं एफर्मेशन लिख के स्टिक करो. राइट राइट. एफर्मेशंस काम नहीं करेंगे जब तक आप अपनी इमोशंस को और इमोशनल हैबिट्स को चेंज नहीं करोगे. अगर बाय फ्लूक काम कर भी गए ना तो इट विल बी टेम्पररी. लाइक ना, आई एम सिटिंग इन माय ड्रीम मर्सिडीज, आई एम सिटिंग इन माय ड्रीम मर्सिडीज. मर्सिडीज आ गया ना तो ये हैप्पीनेस का इमोशन ही गायब होगा. होता है ना, कुछ चीज शिद्दत से चाहते हैं, मिल भी जाता है ना, फिर भी वो खुशी नहीं मिलती है. फिर माइंड ढूंढने लगता है और क्या है जिससे पाके मुझे वो खुशी फील हो सकती है. देन इट मेक्स अनदर गोल्स, देन अनदर गोल्स. इसी में पूरी जिंदगी चली जाती है. राइट? हम सब. सो आई एम बाइंडिंग अप हियर. कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है, एनीथिंग, यू राइट इन द ग्रुप चैट. ग्रुप में मैं ओपन करती हूँ ग्रुप. ठीक है? डन. Okay, now those who are attended here and find it emotional shift in just 40 minutes of session, write in the group and encourage other missing people to join this session from tomorrow. Right? For today, I'll give everyone recording, those who have not present, but from tomorrow I'll be more strict. It's good not to be strict. Okay, so have a very 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 beautiful and very nice day. एक और भूल गई मैं, रात को आपको सोने से पहले एक चीज करनी है, that is called GLAD technique. So many of you might be knowing. So GLAD technique का वीडियो डाल रही हूँ ग्रुप में, देख लेना. उसमें जो जो जैसे करा है वो आपको सोने से पहले करना है. Before 30 minutes of going to bed, first do GLAD technique and then do Ho'oponopono. Done? Okay? So 5 होमवर्क हो गए. ठीक है? Okay? Bye. Take care. See you all tomorrow with new vibrant energy. Bye. Thank you so much.